我刚刚开车路上经过了一家邦邦，就是那个 Swedish Candy， 但是谷歌上面没有看到它的位置。但是我确实是经过了，所以我现在把车停下来，然后走过去看一下，说不准是新开的店。Hello， 我们可以 try samples。No， 我靠，竟然很好吃。 How come this store is not on the Google map?
I know, I noticed that as well.
I passed by it, I was like, is that real or fake?
The other 3 stores that we have are on Google Maps.
Yeah, okay.
This one, for some reason, hasn't been. It opened.
I guess it's a bit remote, but.
Yeah, it opened like 2 months ago.
Oh, really?
So,
it's still pretty new then.
Yeah. We have like more candy than other locations, I would say.
Oh, really?
Where all the candy like gets distributed.
Oh, really?
To the stores. And there's the van that distributes them actually.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Okay, it's a hidden gem then. Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Come on, Lila. 终于买到了！每次都看到别人大街上面拎一个粉色的袋子，每次都没有机会买。哦，我这次买了好多，虽然每个口味都挑了2个，不是很多，但是一共才8刀，我以为会很贵呢。尝一尝没有尝过的味道，然后剩下来再给老干妈。我是一个不喜欢吃这种糖果的人，但我觉得好好吃。很多看起来一点都不好吃，但是尝起来超级好吃。我觉得这个是最好吃的。今天是超级的热，这个小狗它很热，它不喝水，很讨厌。走吧。Have a good time? Ready to go?
Hi. June and July in New York. August too.